The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Williamson County, Northeastern Burnet County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Briggs, or 12 miles northeast of Bertram, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Bertram, Liberty Hill, Jarrell, Florence, Mahomet, Joppa, Watson, Edice, Oakville, and Briggs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The tornado warning for Northwestern